Living with diabetes can feel like a constant battle against cravings, and it's tough to find sweet treats that won't throw your blood sugar out of whack. But what if I told you there are actually some delicious options that won't sabotage your health? Diabetes doesn't have to mean giving up on sweet treats entirely. Many people think that having diabetes means you have to cut out all sweets, which can lead to feelings of deprivation and frustration. This misconception can make it tough to stick to your diet and manage your condition. It's hard to see friends and family enjoying sweet treats while you feel like you have to pass on them. The truth is, managing diabetes is all about balance, and that includes finding ways to enjoy sweets in moderation. When you think about it, completely cutting out sweets can actually make cravings worse. It's like when you're on a diet and suddenly all you can think about is the one thing you're not allowed to have. For people with diabetes, it's essential to find sweets that won't negatively impact blood sugar levels. This doesn't mean you have to make everything from scratch, but being mindful of what you eat is crucial. Reading labels and understanding what's in the sweets you choose can make a big difference. Exploring various sweet treat options can be a game changer. Low-sugar desserts, fruit-based treats, and recipes that use alternative sweeteners are all great places to start. For instance, desserts made with monk fruit or stevia can be just as sweet without the added sugar. Fruit-based treats like sorbet made from real fruit or a simple fruit salad with a dollop of yogurt can satisfy your sweet tooth without overloading on sugar. Some standout recipes are worth trying. A simple almond flour cake made with unsweetened applesauce can be a delicious treat. Another option is a no-bake energy ball made with oats, nuts, and a bit of honey. These treats aren't just delicious, they're also easy to make and can be a healthier alternative to traditional sweets. Incorporating diabetes-friendly sweet treats into your routine can make managing diabetes feel less restrictive. It's about making informed choices and finding joy in the foods you eat, even if they're sweet. To sum it up, having diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up on sweets entirely. It's all about balance and making smart choices. By exploring diabetes-friendly options and being mindful of portion sizes, you can enjoy sweet treats without throwing your blood sugar out of whack. If you've got a favorite diabetes-friendly treat, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos about ways to live a healthier life. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about mindful wellness habits. Thank you for watching.